So Sean, what have you got from the buffet this morning?
Everything that includes sugar.
You're going to be flying off the ceiling. Look, he's a bit, I think he's still a bit sleepy. Mummy's feeling a bit hungover this morning. I think Luke's got some sort of non-alcoholic hangover. But he's eating his croissants.
Maybe it's an orange juice hangover.
I'm trying some fruit salad. And the blueberry muffin looks good. And I'm going to have a cookie because Peter had some cookies yesterday and said they were good. You want me to have a go at the Virtuosa game? Let's see. Are you having a go as well, Peter? Oh, nearly.
Once again? Okay, once again.
Oh. Yeah, that's the way to do it. Look.
Smarter, not harder.
Your name is Sean? Yeah. Oh, you're the singer from last time. Here, Sean, this is for you. Come here, if you want. Come here.
Right, Sean, you got to throw them the other way. Oh, oh, watch, look. Oh, never mind. Hi guys, so we had lunch. We decided to have a sit down lunch today, which was nice. And then we've just been to the VR cinema to use some of the money off our fun pass. So we paid £72, I think it was, and we got £140 worth of credit. And we used quite a bit on the arcades, but the VR cinema is £10 per adult, £8 per child. And it was really, really good. I mean, it was...
I suggest the robot cowboy one.
Oh, yeah, we went with the not scary one, which was like shooting zombies, but you went over waterfalls. It was really cool. Really good VR. And the shooting actually worked, which is also good, because to be honest, in the theme parks I'm terrible at the shooting games, but I felt it was quite good at this one, so the tech must be better.
Came third.
Okay, I came third, so Sean tells me. What am I going to do with them? Anyway, so we're going to go out and get some sun. Or don't know if we're going to get much sun, it's pretty overcast, but we'll give it a go. I'm going to watch the Dome show. The Book of Wizardry, which we assume may be a little bit Harry Pottery. Oh, here we go. Oh wow, there's Hogwarts or something a bit like it there. We're having a little mid-afternoon drink in the Infinity Bar, and they do some special hot chocolates here, which are included in the premium drinks package that we've got. You get a little MSC chocolate, and Sean went for the white hot chocolate. I'm back on my cocktails. I'm having a Jamaican Paradise, but Peter's still sticking to his resolution of not drinking today and having water. Make me feel bad, but I'm just loving the view up here. Look, this bit totally giving us some spaceship Earth vibes. Oh, we hope we can get back to Disney World one day.
One day more.
Anyway, I'll get on with my drink. Cheers to this Jamaican Paradise. Really packs a punch. It's rather strong. So for sure this is the difference with the all-inclusives, isn't it, Peter? The cocktails that are all-inclusives are never very strong. That's probably why we're both in such a bad way today. Because we've been drinking as if we're at an all-inclusive with watered down drinks. Luke's going to have a go in the Hologate Arena.
This one, the best. No. This one, the best.
Do that one?
That was good.
This one, the best.
Oh, you have to get your suit on. Cool.
The track you're moving.
Oh, cool.
You ready?
Crew Guardians, are you ready to defend our galaxy?
Yeah.
Arm yourself with the pink power glove in your right hand and the orange one in your left. Punch the orange drones with the orange glove and the pink ones with the pink glove. T-Rex laser beams pay close attention to the color and make sure to dodge the red laser barriers.
Yeah, it's a bit like Ninjago, look. You just need to move. Oh, they're coming again, I think. How was that, Sean? Was it fun?
Yeah.
Sean thought he'd have a nice little cup of tea. But what really is it, Sean?
It's
It's
something.
like jelly.
Jelly, maybe.
Oh.
That might just be caramel or jelly. I'm not
No,
sure.
I'd say it's
It
definitely
looked good,
jelly.
so
So you had it.
This is the raspberry crumble. Kylie suggested it already.
Oh, that looks delicious. Sean's finally getting a go with them.